Microsoft recently announced its latest innovation in AI integration, Copilot, a groundbreaking feature that blends the capabilities of chat interfaces and large language models with practical, real-world applications. Copilot serves as an everyday AI companion designed to assist users with a variety of tasks, ranging from web searches to content creation and even learning new skills. Integrated across a wide array of Microsoft products including Windows 11, Microsoft 365, Edge, and Bing, Copilot can be accessed as an app or through a simple right-click on your PC. It uses contextual understanding to leverage web resources, user data, and real-time PC activity, delivering personalized and relevant suggestions seamlessly. This allows users to interact with Copilot as if they were conversing with a helpful friend. Available with a free update to Windows 11 on September 26, Copilot will also roll out to Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 in the following months, ensuring that even those without a compatible device can benefit from its features on the web or mobile devices. Copilot enhances Windows 11 by streamlining tasks and reducing cognitive load, enabling users to find files, open apps, set reminders, or send emails with minimal effort. It also offers educational support, such as explaining concepts, solving math problems, or summarizing texts, all accessible from the taskbar or with a simple keyboard shortcut. Windows 11's AI-driven features extend to apps like Paint and Photos, where Copilot, powered by OpenAI's DALL-E 3, can generate realistic images from text prompts, allowing users to create logos, icons, and illustrations effortlessly. In Photos, Copilot introduces advanced editing tools like Generative Expand and Fill, which help users extend backgrounds or replace unwanted elements with realistic alternatives. The enhancements continue with Bing and Edge, where Copilot introduces the Bing Image Creator, a tool that generates stunning visuals for social media graphics, invitations, and more, based on user-provided text prompts. Additionally, Copilot offers a personalized search experience by remembering past user queries and providing tailored suggestions in future searches. Online shopping becomes more efficient with Microsoft Shopping, which leverages AI to find deals, compare prices, and manage orders. Bing and Edge also feature content credentials, which watermark AI-generated images to ensure authenticity and provenance, helping creators receive recognition and enabling consumers to verify image sources. Within Microsoft 365, Copilot significantly enhances productivity and collaboration across apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. A new AI chat feature assists users with creating content, catching up on missed work, and answering specific questions. In Word, Copilot helps draft documents, improve grammar, and generate summaries, while in Excel, it aids in chart creation, data analysis, and insight generation. PowerPoint users benefit from assistance in slide design, image edition, and caption creation, and Outlook users can compose emails, set reminders, and manage contacts more efficiently. In Teams, Copilot facilitates collaboration by helping users share files and participate in calls, all while using contextual understanding and natural language processing to provide relevant suggestions and generate high-quality content. For those interested in graphic design, Copilot enhances Microsoft Designer, a tool that integrates with Microsoft 365 and uses DALL-E 3 to create images from text descriptions. Designer also features tools like Generative Expand, Fill, and Erase, which help users refine their designs seamlessly. The redesigned File Explorer in Windows 11 complements these features with a modern look, an intuitive interface, and new tools like the Gallery feature, which simplifies photo viewing and file management. As hybrid work environments become more common, Microsoft Surface Hub 3 stands out as a powerful collaborative tool, compatible with Microsoft Teams Rooms on Windows and featuring AI-enhanced functionalities. The 50-inch model, for example, offers Portrait Smart Rotation and Smart AV features, making team collaboration more dynamic. Copilot's integration into the Whiteboard app on Surface Hub 3, along with Cloud and Teleframe features, further enhances brainstorming and idea visualization. Ultimately, Copilot is a transformative AI tool that seamlessly integrates into Windows 11, Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365, revolutionizing the way users work and interact with technology. With devices like the Surface Pen, Surface Mobile Mouse, Surface Laptop Studio 2, Surface Laptop Go 3, and Surface Hub 3 designed to showcase Copilot's capabilities, users can access this powerful AI anytime, anywhere, using typing, speaking, writing, or drawing to interact with it. Copilot promises to enhance creativity, productivity, and skills, making it a game changer in the AI landscape.